Hello guys, that's my first video. Today I'm going to be washing 5 t-shirts in the Indesit EWD71452 with some Visir powder. That's foreign I think, but yeah, that come from a foreign shop, so what do you expect? That's in there. On cotton 45 at 40 and 1200. Start. Make sure the powder's dissolved. A little bit in there. Just doing slow tumbles now. As per usual, it struggles with a little load. Good old Indesit. A nice noisy brush Nidec motor in there. I used to having it Hot Point WMXTF 942, but the bearings went, so I've now got this, and I can see the bearings going just as quickly. if not even quicker. So, you know, there you are. Don't usually use powder, by the way. I usually use surf, but I got that from another shop in town. So, 41 minutes left. Pass the tumbles. Doing a bit of a distro wash here. .6 minutes. I'll go through all the programs if you like. So you got your mixed coloured 59. You can do a full 7kg load in just 59 minutes at 40 degrees. Then you got cotton 59 at 60. So you can do a 7kg load in 59 minutes. Then you got cotton 45, which I've got it on now. It's for 3.5 kilo load at 40 degrees, and it only takes 45 minutes. Then you got your cotton, the synthetics 59, which says on there 40, but it goes to 60 in 59 minutes. And then you got your mix 30 minutes, 30 degrees, 800 spin. And you got your Express 20. I don't use it personally because it's a load of rubbish. It only does slow tumbles, just like the Refresh 20 on the other machines. Then you got special and partial, so changing tumbles. And you got gym kit, so sports shoes, baby, rinse, spin and drain. Then duvet, wool, silk and curtains, cotton eco, which I use all the time at 40. Unless I'm doing sheet, well, if I do sheets, I put it on cotton 90. And then you got on and off button, all the programs, timer, temperature selector, spin selector, delay timer, don't bother with that, extra wash, which will enhance the wash action and it will go on for significantly longer. And you got your energy save, which is a load of rubbish because that wash it cold. Who want to wash it cold? And then the start pause button and the program flow. 34 minutes. Only 2 months old. I got it on got it from Boots Electrical for £199. It's a good bargain really, but you know, you get what you get. You know, you pay, if you pay cheap, you get cheap. Oh, heat has just come on again. About 30 now, I reckon. But we ain't got loads of money, so we just got this one. Hopefully that'll last another 2 years, but you know, with the Indesit shit bearings, I doubt it. Right, that's it. I'll do part 2 in a minute. Rinsing and spin. I might do the wash intermediate spin in a minute.